بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your social studies class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, as you all know that we are on Unit 2, Clean and Healthy. In the previous video class, we have studied that how do we keep ourselves clean, and we have read that we can keep ourselves clean by brushing our teeth in the morning. Brushing our teeth in the morning, as this girl is brushing her teeth, and by having a bath or shower every day. So in the previous video class, we have studied two basic points of health: brushing our teeth and taking a bath. Okay students, now all of you open page 13. Hurry up. Okay students, now there are some more ways of keeping clean. As you can see, read with me all of you. Keep your nose clean. Keep your nose clean. Keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. Okay students, can you see this picture? Yes, what this boy is doing in this picture? This boy is sneezing. Yes, and what he is using? He is using a handkerchief or a tissue. So it is written here that you have to keep your nose clean. Okay, keep your nose clean by using handkerchief or a tissue. Handkerchief means रुमाल. Okay, हमें अपनी nose को clean रखना चाहिए with the use of handkerchief or a tissue. Very good. Okay students, now it is written here, wash your hands before eating anything. Wash your hands before eating anything. Wash your hands before eating anything. Can you see this picture students? What this boy is doing? He is washing his hands. Why he is washing his hands students? Yes, he is washing his hands because he will go and eat something. And the same is written here that before eating anything, you have to wash your hands. अपने hands को wash करना चाहिए before eating anything. कुछ भी खाने से पहले अपने hands को wash करना चाहिए. And can you see what is this? Students, tell me what is this? This is a nail cutter. What is this? This is a nail cutter or a nail clipper. And what this boy has done? This boy has cutted his nails. Very good. And he is using a soap to wash his hands. This is a very good boy. He has cut his nails with the help of nail clipper. आपको भी चाहिए अपने nails को cut करें and use soap for washing your hands. This is a very good habit and it prevents viruses and bacteria to affect our body. Okay, students, if you want to stay safe and stay healthy, then you have to wash your hands with the help of soap and you have to cut your nails. Okay, very good. Okay, students, now see what is written here. It is written here that wash your hands with soap after you have been to the toilet. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to the toilet. Cut your nails regularly. Keep them clean. Comb your hair. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to the toilet. Cut your nails regularly. Keep them clean. Comb your hair. What we have to do, students? We have to wash our hands with soap. हमें अपने हैंड्स को सोप से वॉश करना चाहिए. After you have been to the toilet. After using toilet, what we have to do? We have to wash our hands with the help of soap. साबुन से हाथ धोने चाहिए. After using toilet. Okay, students? And then, what's next? Cut your nails regularly. We have to cut our nails regularly. Okay, students? Don't keep your nails in a big size because the bigger nails are very dangerous for your health. Long nails are not good for your health, and keep them clean. You have to keep your nails neat and clean. Okay, students, by washing your hands with the help of soap. Comb your hair. You have to comb your hair. What this girl is doing? This girl is combing her hair. Okay, students, what this girl is doing? She is combing her hair. वो अपने बालों में कंघी कर रही है. And this is known as combing hair. Okay, this is a very good habit. We have to keep ourselves neat and clean. We have to brush our teeth. We have to take bath every day. We have to use tissue or handkerchief for our nose. And we have to wash our hands with soap and water. And we have to cut our nails regularly, keeping them clean, and comb your hair. These all are good and healthy habits. और इन सब कामों से we can say keep ourselves neat and clean, and we can avoid all kinds of bacteria and viruses. Okay, students, so this is all about today's video class. Now it's your homework time. Okay, students, now it's your homework time, and what you have to do in your homework? You have to read this page. You have to read this page. This is page 13. Okay, students, this is page 13, and you have to read this page. Okay, and then you have to share your video in your WhatsApp group, and your teacher will check your video over there. You have to read these lines. This is your homework. Okay, students, this is your homework. You have to read this page 13. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.